Welcome to the ETD tutorial series by the Florida International University Graduate School. This video will show you how to format your dedication page, which is an optional page. First, go to our LibGuide. Click the formatting link in the sidebar. Scroll down to the Formatting Rules section and click the Dedication Page tab. You can download the template near the bottom of the page. Once you download the template, open it in Microsoft Word. This page is fairly straightforward. The most important things to remember are as follows. 1. Make sure everything is double-spaced. That means between the title and the body and within the body of the text. Often students will still have extra spacing before or after the text or title, so make sure there is only one line of space between those. 2. Make sure the margins are intact, especially if your dedication is over a page long. 3. No bolding or italics. Also, don't use quotation marks unless you're using a direct quote or referring to the title of another work. 4. If your dedication is half a page or less, move everything down to the center of the page. If it's more than half a page, begin at the top margin, which should be 1 inch. 5. Be sure to return the font to black and save.